Morning. This is homework 1.3, and I had several questions about problem number 9, so let's look at it quickly. So first we see that we're squaring this quantity, so I'm going to multiply it by itself. 3 squared is 9. Y to the 3/4, when you have a power raised to a power, you can multiply. So 3/4 times 2 would be 3/2. 4 squared is 16. Then I'll have x squared. And then y to the 1/2 squared is just y. And so from here, I need to do 9 times 16. And then I need to combine like terms. 9 times 16 is 144. When I'm multiplying like bases, I add the exponents. So 3/2 plus 1 would be y to the 5/2, and then x squared. And I'm looking back. Oops, I got an error. I looked at the answer key. X squared squared should be x to the 4th. So let me fix that. Okay, and then I had a few of you ask, I don't understand about a negative exponent being a fraction. So let's go back to why it's a fraction. So let's see. Y is x to the -3, 1/x cubed. So how do you get an x to the -3? Well, let's create a problem that would result in a negative exponent. So here's a problem that would result in a negative exponent, and the reason is because when you subtract like bases or divide like bases, you subtract your exponents. So you could see that would give us x to the -3. Well, by using what you know about fractions, really this is 1x and 1, 2, 3, 4. Those cancel. So I'm left with 1/x cubed. Now, if I substitute a number in there, it will be no different. It's just I could write this as 1/8. Okay, so that won't change anything.